All right, next on our fruit page, we're going to do cherries. And this is a popular design that is usually done in either red or pink, although they could be any color, just like any other design. So first we're going to load up a medium brush with red, and we're going to draw 2 circles. And they overlap slightly. Then you're going to take your detail brush and load it with black. And now you're going to draw the stems. So do a spot roughly halfway between. Do a spot just inside the top, just inside the top, and then have a gentle curve connecting the two. Okay. Then you're going to get another medium brush. Load up on green. It can be dark or light. And you're going to do the leaf, curve up and down, and then reverse, curve down and up. Fill it in. There's your leaf. And then to add that little extra pizzazz, you take your white, and on the side you're going to make just a little curved line, and that way we know it's shiny. And there it is, cherries.